Sophie, what's wrong? People are posting pictures of their new fashion online. Super cute outfits are hitting stores across the Dollyverse. How come our stores haven't stocked up yet? Are you sure it's not at our store? Of course I'm sure. I checked yesterday. Our town is like in a black hole for fashion. Maybe we should check today. You never know. Okay, fine. But we're not gonna find anything. Trust me. See? I told you. There is no new... Teen Titans Go fashion! I am so glad I said let's go to the store. You didn't say that. I did. At Target, I found new Barbie fashion packs for $4.99 each. Featuring Teen Titans Go, Looney Tunes, SpongeBob, and DC. I can't wait to try them on. Let's take a look at this fashion pack first. The boxes open differently now, but that doesn't affect my awesomeness. We get a black t-shirt with the cast of Teen Titans Go on the front eating lots of pizza, a red skirt with an elastic waistband that has pizza all over it, a Teen Titans Go purse, and a pair of sunglasses. This is a great one-size-fits-all outfit, fitting an original Barbie, curvy, and tall, made-to-move bodies. Now you know I had to try this shirt on. I love Teen Titans Go! And I love how Barbie fashion fits Fresh Dolls. This fashion pack has some fun accessories. It's a yellow dress with a pink mesh top. It comes with a hip bag decorated with band-aids and a pair of gold sunglasses. From DC, Sophie is wearing a black sleeveless hoodie that says Batgirl, a patent leather yellow skirt that uses a different fabric on the back, a silver purse, and a purple watch that has a little face on it. I can't tell if it's a cat or a bat. Since it's a Batgirl outfit, we're gonna assume it's a bat, even though I'm pretty certain it's a cat. From the front, the skirt fits better on the curvy Barbie, but the hoodie looks great on everyone. I am loving this Supergirl shirt. It is a white t-shirt with a picture of Supergirl on the front and blue sleeves. The coloring on the sleeves is printed on. It comes with a black and white skirt with an elastic waistband, a red star purse, and a yellow watch. From Looney Tunes, Sophie is wearing a pink asymmetrical dress. It is a perfect fit for the original Barbie, comes with a yellow Tweety Bird purse, and a silver bracelet. Okay, this has to be one of my favorites. We have a black Daffy Duck tank top, a Looney Tune collage pencil skirt, and a large Looney Tunes tote. This pencil skirt fits the original body so well that I'm a little concerned about it fitting the curvy Barbie, because I think this dress is a little too snug. But let's give that skirt a try. Well, the top fits great. However, the image on the skirt is being pulled. I think it might be a little too snug. For $2.99, I found SpongeBob SquarePants t-shirts. Here is a blue and white sleeveless shirt with Mr. Krabs on the front. It has a little faux tie at the bottom. That's cute. Here is a gray sleeveless SpongeBob shirt. It's a nice fit. For a more relaxed fit, here is a yellow and black SpongeBob shirt. SpongeBob doesn't look too happy. That's probably because he's missing his bestie Patrick. This loose fit white t-shirt is super comfy with a picture of Patrick and SpongeBob on the front. I love getting new clothes! But new clothes means a lot of discarded packaging. I'm sure we could find a way to reuse it. Let's get crafty. Unfold the packaging and cut out the black and white background. Take foam board or recycled cardboard, mark and measure a 9 by 12 inch rectangle. Cut it out along with a 9 by 5 inch rectangle. And remember to always have adult supervision when crafting. Take the packaging and carefully remove the bent side. It should be the same width as our foam board. Cut strips of foam board to go behind it. Glue them in place to make it sturdy. Glue the large pieces of foam board together, then glue the covered foam board into the corner. This helps to support the wall. Take the leftover packaging, trim off the other side tab, then glue it to the wall. Cut out more packaging, glue it to the side, glue on strips of foam board for shelves. I put a dividing wall on the side, a long shelf across the top. Let's add some smaller shelves right here, and maybe one right here. I use strips of black paper to clean up my lines at the bottom. Unfold paper clips. Carefully use wire cutters to cut off the ends. Glue them underneath the shelves with the curved piece facing out, so we can hang our wooden hangers on them and not worry about them falling off. Our wooden hangers can be found in our doll IKEA closet video. Place the doll fashion on the hangers to display them in the room. Add the accessories to the shelves. Add shoes. To fill in some of the spaces, we can use Barbie surprise boxes. These are 97 cents each at Walmart, and they have accessories inside. This one has a purse, pink glasses, and a necklace. We can use our doubles to stock the shelves. I'm gonna add one more piece of foam along this seam to cover that edge, to make it look a little neater, giving us a mini store to display and organize our fashion. And if you want to make your store even larger, then make another one to place right beside it. Use a few cutouts from the box to use as signs for the different fashions. And now our dolls have a new store where they can find their favorite clothes. I just love finding ways to recycle doll packaging. Carmen, do you see this place? It's like my new favorite store. Wait a minute, is that the last Batgirl hoodie? I'm just gonna go and pay for this right quick. Later! Carmen, I need that hoodie! Thank you for joining us while we took a look at new Barbie fashion packs. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another fashion haul. And that's our collection for now.